Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Notes and tap the Compose button to create a fresh note right now. That starts everything. Make sure iCloud syncing is on so your work saves across devices, then pick or create the folder where this belongs. Once done, tap the title line and type a concise header. It helps search later. You should also tap the checklist or camera icons if you need a list or an image. Those get embedded immediately and keep your note structured. Now you add rich content so your note is actionable and complete. Tap the camera to scan documents or insert photos, or select the pen to sketch. These elements remain editable. Use the formatting menu to apply headings, bold, or numbered lists so information reads clearly. That makes retrieval faster. Once structured, pin important notes to the top, lock sensitive items with a password, or tap Share to collaborate. This keeps control while letting others contribute when needed. Finish by organizing and securing the note so it stays useful. Move it into a folder or add tags like #work and #ideas to filter later. Tagging speeds search across many notes. Lock any private note and rely on Face ID or passcode to open it. That protects sensitive content. If sync or access fails, force quit Notes, confirm iCloud Notes is enabled, and restart the phone. This simple reset resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.